Hey there folks, this is the Scottsdale Travel Chick, here to give you my review of the Westin in Cozumel, Mexico. In the past, our videos have been all about travel and destinations. Now we have decided to add hotel reviews to our channel. This will be my first review, so please be kind to me. Okay, let's go. The Westin is an oceanfront hotel about 5 kilometers north of downtown. A taxi will cost you about 100 pesos to get there. There isn't much in walking distance around other than a couple of restaurants directly across the street. One is a burger and a key lime place, and the other is a seafood place. The seafood place has some good reviews online, but it was virtually deserted when we were there. So let's talk about the hotel. This is a newer Westin hotel built about 5 years ago. It has a clean, modern style. So if you're looking for that Mexican feel, this place is not for you. It's not a particularly big hotel, but there is an expansive lobby bar area as you walk into the hotel, which overlooks the water. Everything is clean and bright. The grounds are not big, but everything faces the water. They have a small sandy beach with a sloping water entry, which is nice for snorkelers. Please see our other video that we just posted dedicated to this. Related to water activities, they have a small dive shop where you can get a free 1-hour use of kayaks or snorkeling equipment each day. They'll also set you up with a snorkeling trip that will pick you up directly at the Westin's dock. In regards to dining, there are 3 dining options available. There is a lobby which has live music on most nights. There is a Mediterranean-style restaurant which overlooks the pool and beach. That is called Cozumel. There is a casual dining area along the pool bar which you can order basic things like burgers and nachos, and they'll even take those orders to the beach. Lastly, there is Las Gaviotas, which is in a separate building on the edge of the water. This is where they serve breakfast, and it's especially nice to get a table on the deck right next to the water. So we're going to try and see if we can get a seat right on the water so we have a great view. The hotel has 2 pools, one overlooking the water and another on the rooftop. Most people hang out on the ground floor pool, and the rooftop pool is often deserted. I'm not quite sure why that is. The gym and spa are connected and located on the 3rd floor. The gym is decent size, and I would say the equipment options are above average. We checked out their spa, which is called Zazil, and it was very nice. Absolutely beautiful inside with massage rooms overlooking the ocean and separate relaxation rooms. They have hot and cool sauna areas and private locker rooms. The massage rates were a bit outrageous, but I expect when you are there you get pampered. Too bad my hubby wouldn't let me go. Okay, finally, let's talk about the rooms. First off, all of the rooms at the Westin are waterfront rooms, so no matter what room you book, you'll be looking at the ocean. Here is a walkthrough of the room we had, which we were upgraded to a corner balcony room on the 15th floor. The views were simply to die for. Take you out here. You can see how blue this water is. Oh, this is gorgeous. Thank you, Westin. And have 2 loungers out here. This is gonna be great. Cannot wait. And let me take you back inside the room. So we have a large vanity here, which I always love, and a nice size shower in here. And then the toilet room is over here as you walk in the door. So not bad. Looks stunning here. On a functionality basis, the room was okay. There were no electrical outlets at the bedside, and the only USB outlets were integrated into the alarm clock on one side of the bed. The internet was relatively poor with only 5 megabytes upload and 3 megabytes download speeds. It's the morning here around 8 a.m. There's a boat going by, and I just cannot get enough of this view. I really liked this hotel. Yes, it doesn't have a Mexican feel, but the rooms were spacious and the views were some of the best I've ever had. Plus, the snorkeling with free equipment was a real bonus. Overall, I give the Westin 9 out of 10. We would definitely repeat. Thanks for watching my video. Until next time, adios.